Good afternoon. It's 12:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, May 27, 2019. Happy Memorial Day to everybody out there. Honor our dead, or we wouldn't be here. Okay, looks like this market is sending a trend to hit 120. Let's take a look at the RSI. Okay, we're extremely overbought on the RSI. Let's see. Well, if you want to see the future, you got to go back to the past. Let's see, the nearest one. Remember this rise up? Look at the RSI. It's about the same where the last one was. Down it went. Went back up again. Second wave. Down again. Down to the first, where the first leg bounced, started off, where the second leg started off from, or where the last leg, the first leg went down to. It's all about perspective. Now here we go. We got one plateau, two. Two looks like it's about to tap her out at 120 because we entered an way oversold on Litecoin. Okay, the RSI is 82 here. The RSI over here, 70 and 82, just like before. So we're gonna correct. That's obvious because we went up too high. All right. Now we have some people in here who says it's going to correct when it hits their Fibonacci circle prediction, but they did that weeks ago. They put it out that right now we should be at $27. Then you have Tone Vase who says Bitcoin was going to fall to $1,000. It's obviously both of them are wrong. All right. So we're going to have a correction. So right now, I already sold out, right? So now I'm going to wait for the correction, and I have my buys put in between 95 to 100. I keep it simple. I use the RSI most of the time on the 4-hour. Okay. Sometimes if I'm looking to catch a trend early, I'll go to the 15-minute, leave the 15-minute candle open here. You see? That's the 15-minute. If you start to see over 15-minute period a whole bunch of red start popping up, that means down we go. That's the way I do it. Mostly I focus on the 1 hour, but I will check the 15-minute if I got a hot bucket of cash that needs to be spent. And basically, I say, people, this is my opinion only. My spreadsheet, which I compare 2017 to the current by price to price, we are actually outperforming 2017 bull run. So we might see a higher high compared to 2017, which is about 370, 380, depending on where you trade on. I do believe that this run up is going to run out of steam, because it's entered an oversold period. It's pretty high on the oversold. It's above 80. So I do believe there's going to be a correction. If you look at this, I would say this one is comparable to this first leg up. It just looks 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. And now we'll begin the downtrend. I say the downtrend, since it went up so hard, that it's going to retract just as hard or even harder on the downslide. So we might see possibly $90, around $95 to $100. So if you're looking to buy back in, honestly, you would have to be sitting here and trying to get it at the lowest price possible before you jump in. And then after that dip, going by 2017, if you go to price comparison, we should be headed up to like $150. Probably, since it's going much higher, it might outstrip $150. So Again, this is my opinion. Don't take my advice. Just take my information under consideration, add it into your own. I keep it simple to avoid confusion. RSI points. Looking back at the graph at the past performance can also show you the trend. And that's basically about it. So you guys, I wish you the best of luck in your trading. But there's got to be a correction coming. Make your decision. Take a good look at the info I provide. Go and get your own info. Go to a few other people. Do a comparison of the info. Go over whose record is better than most. And that'll really help you to trade. All right, guys. Have a good one.